Your house is messy, your kitchen sink is full of dishes, your kids' toys are everywhere, and you feel so stressed and so overwhelmed. I want to tell you, you are not alone. I was there, I was as well overwhelmed and stressed. In today's video, I will share 3 simple tips that help me take back control of my home. Hello friend, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taitu. I'm a mom of 3 kids. Let me tell you, my home used to be cluttered, chaotic and overwhelming. But a few months ago, I made a decision to simplify my home and my life so I could enjoy what truly mattered to me and my family. Cleaning was for me very stressful and time consuming. But when I started to incorporate these 3 simple habits into my cleaning routine, I was able to keep my house tidy most of the time without the stress of deep cleaning. For example, before I used really to put cleaning for Saturdays, and it was really too much because the whole day I was just cleaning. With these habits, I learned that cleaning is not about doing more. It's about being intentional with small daily actions. When you build habits that prevent mess from piling up, you spend less time cleaning your space. I struggle a lot with cleaning. That's why I was really looking ways to clean the space smarter, not harder. I had many challenges, and some of them was, for example, lack of time. I was a working mom, I was commuting to job, so all my cleanings were done over the weekends, which was, as I mentioned before, very overwhelming. I also struggled with lack of motivation because when I saw the mess and the clutter everywhere, I even did not know where to start. Another struggle I had was I had the feeling the mess was coming back fast because most of my cleaning was done over the weekend. So during the week, I wasn't really taking care of the house. This is how these cleaning habits transform my cleaning routine. The first thing is they made cleaning automatic. When a habit becomes second nature, you don't need to think about it. It's like when you go to bed, before bedtime, you have to brush your teeth. And the second thing was it reduced overwhelm. Instead of me to tackle big mess at once, these simple habits keep everything manageable. It also saves a lot of time because when I'm doing few minutes here, 5 minutes there to pick up the toys, it really prevents the mess to piling up. So let's dive in. The first habit is to clean as you go. This habit is one of my favorites. It's very simple but very powerful. Before I start following this habit, my home was constantly messy and my kids' toys were everywhere. I had the feeling like my home is out of control. My kitchen sink was even messier. It was always full with dishes, especially during and after cooking. With this habit, I start immediately to clean after me, after each task, which helped me really to keep my kitchen, my kids' toys clean, organized, and safe. And these are some of the benefits. I maintain my house effortlessly. The second one is it prevents clutter from piling up. I start to feel less stressed and less overwhelmed, and I had the feeling like I become more productive. Habit number 2 is to declutter often. Decluttering your house is the fastest and the best way to keep your home organized and tidy. For most of us, more things is coming in than going out, which make the house more difficult to manage because you have more things to manage. I used to believe that decluttering takes times, and I used to believe also that decluttering is one thing done. But with my experience, I start to understand that decluttering should be a habit. You can do it according to your schedule. You can do it weekly. Some people even do it daily. You can do it monthly. But the more often you do, the better for you and your home because you will have less things to manage. I post a video on my YouTube channel. The link will be in the description box. Here are some of the best practices for keeping a clutter-free home. And the first thing is to borrow or to rent anything you don't use often. It really prevents you to have a lot of things in your home. And a lot of things mean what? You may have more time to clean. You have to think about the storage. you have to think about maintaining those things. Second best practice for a clutter-free home is to buy less and to focus on quality, because when you focus on quality, you don't have the need to replace those items often. I used to really buy just with impulse. Like, I go to shop, I don't think if I need it, I don't need it, I just buy it because maybe it was on sale or it was nice. Now I'm trying to be more intentional with my buying so I can buy less and more quality things. Habit number 3, and the last habit, had the biggest impact on my cleaning routine. But before I share with you, I would like to say this one. If you find one helpful tip from this video, please give it a like. If you learn 2 or more things, please consider to subscribe. Your support will help my channel reach more people. This habit number 3 had the biggest impact on my cleaning routine because it motivates me to start and then to even tackle other tasks. And this habit is to never go to bed with a sink full of dishes. Before adapting this habit into my life, I used to leave at night my sink full of dishes because washing dishes or putting them in the dishwasher was the last thing I wanted to do. Instead, I wanted to watch TV, scroll on my phone, and in the morning, I woke up in a very messy kitchen, and I really regret why I did not take 5-10 minutes to clean the night before. Now I make it a habit to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes after meal to clean the dishes or put them in the dishwasher, to clear the counters. I also now take the habit after kids are in bed to pick up their toys, to put back things where they belong. And these small tiny habits make a huge difference, because when I come in the morning and I see a clean house, a organized space, a clean kitchen, it really sets a positive vibe for the entire day. Here is a summary of the 3 habits. First is to clean as you go. Everything you are done, put it back, clean it. Second is to declutter often. It can be a daily, weekly, monthly habit. And the third one is to never go to bed with a sink full of dishes. Thank you. Bye.